Good morning. I'm Kathleen Pate, and welcome to my Alabama farm life. It is another gloomy, rainy day. However, this morning we woke up and we were told by the weather service that it was supposed to be snow today. However, there's no snow. It's just nasty, wet, cold rain. So I don't think I'm going to be doing any work outside today. I think today is going to be a sewing project day. So I'm going to go back inside where it's warm, have a cup of coffee, and figure out what I'm going to sew. Oh, crows are really upset about something this morning. Kind of curious, but not that curious. I wonder what they're chasing. So whatever the crows were chasing came up right behind the barn, and then now it's moving away from us. But they're still chasing it, whatever it is. Justice is usually really good at air scenting, but I haven't seen her lift her head or anything, so she's just wandering around in the woods. Well, I really didn't mean to go off onto a tangent, but I walked out the door and the crows were right there. You can't really hear them inside the house. So I've had my coffee. I'm out here giving Justice her walk because that's our schedule. And it's still raining, no snow, 36, so no ice, thankfully. Everything north of us, just a little north of us, got snow. Coleman, Huntsville, I think as close as Barry even got some snow. It all stayed just northwest of us. So if we wanted to hop in the car and go for an hour drive, we could go see snow, but that's not happening today. So I think I've decided on what I'm going to do today. I've got some seed video that I took the other day and ended up making a short, but I've got 5 minutes of seed video, and I'd like to do some shout outs and promotion of some seeds that I purchased and arrived, about a week ago. So I may go ahead and do that. Then I'm going to pull out my sewing machine, and I have 2 pairs of pajama pants that are way too big for me that I want to cut down. And so I think that's what I'm going to do today. So join me. This is my now organized stash of seeds. And I have these 2 eggplants. I don't grow eggplants, so if anybody wants them, hit me up and I'll mail them to you. This is my Clyde's garden planter I got with my Baker Creek seeds last summer. You need to get one, this is great. Over a month ago, I was watching a video put out by Indiana Backyard Gardener, so this is their shout out. And she was talking about a website that she went to called Little Shop of Seeds, or the 55-cent store. So I went there and I ordered all these seeds. They are nice and organized and clearly marked, and I was very pleased with shipping. I think these seeds cost me just shy of $15. I'm going to leave the link to the video above, and I'm going to try to I will put the link to the 55-cent seed store in the description. I also want to show you what we did when we were organizing our seeds. We had a bunch of old flower and vegetable seeds. So I dumped them into this bag, and what I plan on doing is when it gets closer to spring and sow in-ground dates, I'm going to take these out and throw them out into the edges of the woods here and see what grows. Can't waste seeds. These are the pajama pants that I'm going to cut down. These are actually, they're a 2X, and I generally wear a large. I just need a little extra room in the waistline. But these are the pants that I'm going to cut down and make them more tailored looking, I guess you could say. I'm going to start here at the leg and just cut up the seam. I had to go find my good scissors. This should be a lot easier now. All right, I want to be careful here because I want to preserve the elastic that's inside here. Okay, so it's actually sewn into the pants, so we're just going to go ahead and cut it. That'll work too. Okay, so I'm done. I did a straight stitch and a zigzag to kind of give it a clean look. Now I'm going to cut the excess off and I will be done. Okay, so I'm going to call this project done. Well, I just finished putting my chickens away. I let them out for a little while, and it's the end of the evening. I've done everything that I'm going to do today. I want to thank everybody for coming and sharing this video with me. I was looking at my subscriber count and I am almost to 200. I think I'm going to do a $200 subscriber giveaway. I need to figure out what I'm going to do, and on my next video I guess I will let you know. So again, thanks for coming. You guys have a great day.